and love me now. Have you tried to stop the lightning or the waves from crashing on the shore? No, I've had no sense or a clue at all that happened. Run by your side, question and now all I can think is how to make you fall in love with me. If you give me a chance, then I will give you everything now. All I can think is how to make you fall in love. And I don't have much, count on me to pick you up. I don't recognize myself making your room. I've always hated the way my body looks, but it feels alright by you. You don't say much unless I ask the right question. You can go on for hours all I can think is how to make you fall in love with me. If you give me a chance, then I will give you everything now. All I can think is how to make you fall in love. I don't have much, count on me to pick you up. All I can think is how to make you fall in love with me. If you give me a chance, then I will